Do you know? Before computers and backspace, there was this, the typewriter. No screens, no autocorrect, just metal, ink, and your full attention. Every key you press triggers a metal arm that slams a letter onto the page. No delete, no undo. One typo, you live with it or start over. It's loud, it's heavy, and it changed the world. Writers like Hemingway, Agatha Christie, even Kerouac typed entire classics on these machines. Skilled typists could hit 60 words a minute. Every stroke counted, no second chances. Early versions didn't even let you see the words. You had to lift the paper just to check what you wrote. And for women, this machine wasn't just a tool. It was a ticket into the workforce. The start of something bigger. The typewriter turned thoughts into permanent physical language. Every letter was final. Every sound a commitment. Today they're vintage, but that click-clack sound, still iconic, still satisfying. The typewriter, old school tech that built the modern world. Follow for more analog legends that shaped our digital future.